let's examine here a nice lot of 22 different circa 1840s engravings that all depict natives and people of the Hawaiian Islands, the Sandwich Islands in the Pacific. These are all done in France by Beyer, B-E-Y-E-R, is the engraver for many of them. And they're nice etchings that are actual specific people. And we see here that you can really see the hairstyles and the clothing styles and the decorations that they would wear, like headbands or the types of skirts or shields that they had. You'll notice that several of the people are very ornately tattooed, like so, which is quite interesting. Here's facial tattoos here and body tattoos, like so. Same here. Quite the ornamentation. Here is the natives gathered around Captain Cook and his crew to give an offering. And here is a dance of children right there. And here we have the Queen Regent of Hawaii. And here is the death lamentation here. And this is an interior with more tattoos and tattoos here. And that would be the final one. And so this lot of 22 etchings is available as a group online from me, Brian DiMambro.